channel. You are tuned into LucidityLeah. I am Leah. Thank you for watching. Today's video is going to be me shooting some of the designs that I've made. I crochet and I've been doing it since like 2020, I want to say. I'm doing this portfolio in order to be considered for a grant that I've been looking into. I'm recently have been getting ready to go back to school, and so we're trying to get that scholarship money any way I can, and this is one of the ideas I thought to do in order to gain some points. So I'm taking you guys along with me. Right now I'm going to be doing makeup really quickly, like quickly as ever, and then we're gonna get into it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm not gonna go over every single thing I'm using to do my makeup, because one, I want this to be quick, and two, if you watched my makeup video where I did the red look, that is basically my everyday makeup anyway, just added with some added eyeshadow. So if you're curious, go look at that, and there's gonna be all the products I used in the comments under there. I'm kind of nervous because I've never shot any of my work like myself. You'll see I ended up buying like one of those like backdrops from Amazon, and I set it up and everything. I felt kind of accomplished setting it up, and I'm just gonna be using like my camera. Like, I feel so official doing this, and I hope it turns out good. Like, I'm saying prayers because, girl, I want this to turn out so nicely and be so easy with no hiccups. So please pray for me as you're watching this. I want to tell you guys like more on like the whole like art school thing, but I'm kind of keeping it low only because I still have a couple things that I'm trying to do before I like let the cat out the bag. I feel like I've only told like 2 people about my plans, because one thing about it I've noticed with plans, it's just a lot of things you keep it to yourself. Like, I've been really trying to keep this one to myself in a way, besides like telling you and the millions of people on YouTube. Somebody's like opinion or their ideas to get in the way. I don't want to hear nothing. Like, I think I've realized over the years is like when something's really sacred, which is this right now, like it's very sacred, it's very new, trying to like keep it low, keep it to yourself, just keep it very like chill until everything's finalized is the best. I don't owe nobody an explanation or anything like that either, so it's just been freeing, because before me would have been like, oh my gosh, like you gotta tell somebody. Like, I've been so quick to spill the water. Now, no. I have like no desire to like care if someone's like, oh my gosh, you shouldn't tell me. Like, I know. But besides that, I'm just excited going into 2023. I'm so excited going into 2023. There's so many good things that are going to be going on for me in 2023, and I'm already seeing it come into fruition now, not just with school, but like with a couple other things in the works. And I'm excited to see how much my channel will grow in the new year. I started my channel in September, and since then I have just been like not stressing like the growth of it, just letting it be organic. I'll see how much more growth I'll have by the end of next year. Like, who knows? I mean, I've seen it before, like with people. I'll have 100, I'm gonna speak it, I'll have 100K by next year this time. Like, we just gonna speak it out in faith. And when it comes to pass, come back to this video, because I'm definitely gonna pull this video up. Like I told y'all didn't believe me, but I told y'all. I'm excited for the journey. Like, it has been such a journey just doing this in September. Like, I've learned so much as like a content creator. I've learned so much about just like what I want my channel to look like, how to edit a video, which was something I thought was so hard, and I ended up loving it. I love how it looks when it's done. Like, it's just like stuff like that I never thought I would really like, and I really do. And it has made me be more confident in doing this portfolio, because originally I was just gonna go to somebody and have them take pictures for me, but I'm like, girl, you have a camera, and the backdrop I got was like $44 on Amazon, and I'm like, girl, you might as well just do it yourself. And I'm just powdering my face today. When I tell y'all, it has been such a struggle for me to put makeup on my face these days. Like, and it's not because I don't want to, because I be wanting a beat face. I just feel so like not interested, like lazy towards just putting makeup on. Like, I'm so quick to just throw on some blush and some mascara and some gloss and call it a day. And I guess that's not the worst thing ever, but I do miss like really getting that beat face, like that really beat look. So maybe going into the new year, I'll be more intentional on that, because who don't want to look snatched? Y'all, now that my hair is pink, I was thinking about getting the Pat McGraw pink mascara. I just feel like that would look so cool. And I could really do a shoot that was like really, I was thinking of doing like a shoot that was like really editorial and just have like all pink on. And that mascara I feel like would set it off so well. So I'm thinking about buying it. I'm still contemplating because I'm pretty sure it's like $34. That's one of the biggest reasons why I haven't been so quick to buy like a bunch of makeup, is because makeup has gone up, baby. Like makeup be expensive, and I'd be like trying to justify like, oh, I'll just spend like this much on like a foundation or a concealer, but it's expensive. Like it's really expensive. And girl, my bank account be like, girl, no, we're not doing that. Like you got a couple other things that may need a payment for before you go spend on that makeup. And I always tell myself, I'd be like, nah, like the way it be looking when I go into Sephora, at least Ulta sometimes give you a coupon. Like Ulta will give you that $3.50 off. Ulta will give you them points. Sephora gives points too, but I don't know, something about Sephora just seems so like bougie. And like when I walk to Sephora, I can smell like $50 concealer. One of the things that I have really fell in love with is the fragrance by the Brazilian, I think it's like Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, like, but the fragrance that goes with it, the orange fragrance, that stuff is good. I love that stuff. That stuff smells so good. I have fallen in love with it. I knew somebody years ago who used to always wear it, and I just didn't even think much of it. And then I went into Sephora recently and I smelled it and I'm like, oh my gosh, like this smells so good. Let me buy me some. And I've been using it like religiously because I love fragrances. So I'm always like trying to find the best deals and stuff. So maybe I will. Some fragrance companies sponsor me. Okay, y'all, so our makeup is done. Like I said, it was just given like a light B. So let's get into the shoot. So this is one of my hats that I made. Okay, y'all, so this is the backdrop. Y'all, my dog is literally going crazy. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. Anyway, this is the backdrop I got this off of Amazon for like, I want to say it was like $44 or so. It didn't come with the white thing. I bought that separately from Best Buy. I'll leave it below where I got everything. But yeah, it's like perfect. It's very sturdy and it comes with little clips, these right here, so that the paper doesn't move too much. So this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to zoom in more so only you see the white part, and I'm just going to let the video go as I shoot this. We are nowhere near done, but I had to sit and take a break. I had to go get some juice. I had to get a meal going because I was tired. Nobody tells you how exhausting it is to be in front of a camera. Why I sound so... I'm serious. I really was so tired. So I sat down and got myself some food, put my hair up. Baby, I'm just so excited to like look at the photos, and I saw like a few of them. They look real professional. Like, stop playing with the girl. Book me for your photography needs. I have a few more things to shoot, including my my shirt. I want to get like my sister to help me just shoot a little bit of it because it's like long and I can't seem to get it so that I can hold it because I use my phone. I have the Canon-EOS M50 Mark II. That's a whole lot, but yeah, that's the camera I have. I'll link it below. And the feature that they have is you can get the app for it and basically live shoot from your phone and use your phone as like a remote. So I was doing that and it worked for like the hats and it worked for like a couple other pieces. But because I'm trying to shoot a shirt and I'm trying to like show you the arms and stuff, and I can't hold it and do it at the same time. Like, you guys see my phone. So I told my sister to come over here and help me finish that. And then I have a really cute concept to do with my scarf because it's like extra, extra long. I'm gonna get it. This scarf is like extra, extra long, and I really want it to be, isn't this so cute? Yeah, so I'm gonna have my sister do that. And I just took a little quick break because I'm tired from all the work I did of taking photos of myself. So yeah, I'm just really happy how it came out. I'm really happy with how they've come out so far. And we're not even done. Like, we're not even done yet. Y'all, I'm like shooting and I'm looking and I'm like, this balaclava is huge. Like, it's so big. I'm just gonna turn. Look at how much puff is in the back with it. Like, it literally has like its own like tail to it. It came out so cute. Like, freestyled this. I was watching a video of somebody making a hat, and I was like, gonna make a little beanie. And then I'm like, you know what? I need something like extra, like very, very extra. And lo and behold, this is it. I love this with this sweater. Like, this is a whole vibe. The ends of it have the little things. I'm gonna get more into it because I definitely am gonna film a video of the stuff that I've made because y'all gotta see it. I have a couple more pieces that I didn't even put in this because I didn't want to like submit those. But we're gonna get into it because yeah, it's giving. It's giving. Okay guys, so you have made it to the end of the video. I'm just floored with how everything turned out. It went so smoothly, and I'm just excited that I got to take you guys on for the ride. I'll leave everything below that I use, all the equipment like my backdrop, my camera, and my tripod that I use because I got a really good tripod. One thing about it, I love me a Best Buy. I never was a Best Buy person until I started like doing YouTube, but I got the Best Buy card. I love me some Best Buy. Best Buy sponsor me because we're like this now. I be in Best Buy like every week buying something new, buying a cartridge for my camera. Like, love me some Best Buy. I'm gonna link like even more photos at the end of the video so you guys can see. I know I put some beforehand, but I want to give you guys like a whole big thing. Like, stop playing with me. Like, stop playing with me. It looks so good. But yeah, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I'm so happy you guys stuck around for it. And yeah, that prayer really worked. Like, Lord was like, pose this way, pose that way, like do this, do that. Like, I tell people, put him in, put God in every single thing. Like, put him in it and he gonna come through. Because I was kind of nervous because I'm like, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I've never did a photo shoot before. I don't know if I have enough lighting, everything. It was like chef's kiss. He was like, I got you, girl. I know how to do a photo shoot. I'm the creator of cameras. What? I know how to work a camera. Like, who was the first model? Jesus. What? That's why I represent so hard because God be having my back. Like, people be coming at me crazy, you know, because I be nose rings, my hair is pink. Like, people coming at me crazy, girl. I don't care. I'm gonna be in my pink hair with the blonde bangs representing Christ till the end. And what about it? What Nikki say? Pink wig, thick. Hold on, I can't even finish that one. Pink wig, thick, give them whiplash. I think big, get cash. Something, something. She said, look at what you just saw. This is what you live for. I'm done, y'all. I swear I'm done. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for sticking around. Leave a comment below if you want to see anything else. I think I can make a couple videos based off of just this video. So we definitely will see. I'm so excited for how 2023 is going to go because it's just going to be a really great year for me on YouTube. I already feel it. Like, I'm telling you, I'm speaking it out in faith. Y'all pray for me. Y'all keep prophesying. I'm so excited. Y'all don't even understand. Eyes have not seen, ears have not heard. But just stick around. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video because I gave y'all quality. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, leave a comment below. Tell me about yourself. Tell me where you're from. Something. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!